Hello everyone, thank you for joining on this another live stream today. So this is the 25th of January 2021 on Monday. So today, every Monday I run the Forex Tester 4 and explain my strategies one by one. And today especially I would like to talk about my entry timing, entry edge. So when I take trades, here is the PDF that is available for anyone for free. So you can find the link below description and you can get this PDF because basically when I talk about my own strategy, the live streams or information are basically based on this PDF. And in this PDF, I showed to you step by step how I catch the trending market and also get these trading edges. So every time I see the markets, I look at the daily chart or the forward chart and 1 or 30, and then I look for the entry timing by 5 or 15 minute time frame. So the topic for today is about the entry edge by 5 or 15 minute time frame. So so here is the 3 different time frame categories, and I will talk about this lower time frame, smaller time frames for entry timing. So this is going to be the topic for today. And as I saw the markets earlier on these major pairs, everything is flat right now. The daily chart flat, and also the forward chart are also flat right now. So daily chart flat and 4 is flat also. So basically, I don't think it's a good timing to talk about the real-time market. So that's why I think it's also good timing to run the tester, Forex Tester 4, and present my strategy today. So let's see. So this is the live stream. So this is not a recorded video, this is a live stream. So welcome everyone to join this live stream. So before starting here, just a quick disclaimer. This information is basically based on my experience and knowledge. So when you take trades, please do with your own risk. Always you have to take responsibility of your own trades. Alright, so let's see. So here is the Forex Tester 4, and this is not the real chart. This is a chart in the past. This is in 2017 Euro USD chart. So up here I have a daily chart, and in the middle there is 1 hour chart, and all the way down here is 5 minute chart. So let me run the tester as if we're looking at the real chart and present you how I capture these trading edges to buy or sell. So let me enlarge this one so that you can see the whole picture like this. And so first I look at the daily chart and I see the Kijun Sen and Kumo here. So when I see Kumo here, this is uptrending. The Kumo has been moving up, but technically we see Senko span B is flat and Senko span A is still moving up. And I can still see that the Senko span in Kijun Sen, the Kijun Sen is gradually moving up over here. So this is a timing where I look at the lower time frame, which are either 1 hour or 30, and see if one of these time frames are trending upwards. So now we confirm daily chart to be uptrending. So now I look at the 1 or 30 and see if one of these time frames are uptrending. Okay, so let's look at the 1 hour chart. So here is the 1 hour chart, and what do you see here now? Is this uptrending or downtrending or range? Is a question. I mean, this 1 hour chart should have to be uptrending this way. Otherwise, you don't want to look for buy chance. because the idea is that the daily chart is uptrending still. As per Kumo Kijun-sen, it's uptrending. So in a larger scope, in the long term, it's uptrending. So I also expect this mid time frame to be uptrending also. But if this is not uptrending, then I won't take a trade. So do you think this is uptrending or downtrending range? Let me ask you this question first to see if we understand my strategy well. And in the meantime, let me say hi to everyone. Thank you for joining. Great to see you here. And Karim, Faya, Penzar, Melanie, and Asif, Mr. Fernandez. Thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you here. Alpar, Gruby, Kayon, Ryder. Thank you for joining. Alright, Golam, good to see you again. Yeah, good to see you. Kaun, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you here. He says, I did look at Ichimoku many times and I think the analysis which Ichimoku is quite different from others in indicator strategies, right? Yep, Ichimoku strategy is different from other indicators or strategies, for sure. Yeah, Ichimoku is unique by itself. Yep, Jack Smith 21, thank you for joining. So let's see if this is uptrending, downtrending range. Which one do you think it is in this 1 hour chart? So I get a couple of answers now. Range, flat. Hello KK, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Range. Alright, James. Range, alright. And Chu, thank you for joining. Okay, it's range. Alright, Kyo, thank you for joining as well. And Roy, good to see you again. Thank you for joining. Alright, so yeah, this is range. Yeah, 1 hour chart shows range in market, right? Because we see Kumo is flat, we see Kumo flat, and Kijun-sen flat at the moment. And also the price is into the Kumo here. The price is into the Kumo, and the Chikou span has been flat. It broke the candlestick, but it's been flat Chikou span. So this shows range in market. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, everybody's right. So, good job, good job. I'm glad that you mastered this trend capture strategy by Ichimoku lines. So, in price action, this is uptrend because we see this potential N wave, right? We see this potential N wave, so it might go up this way. So unless the market comes back to the previous low, which is over here, unless the market moves backwards to this way, price action wise this is uptrend in this 1 hour, but as per Ichimoku lines this is flat ranging. So depending on which indicator or which method or strategy you use, the definition of the range trend will be different. Yep. So as per Ichimoku, this is flat ranging. However, as we saw earlier, the daily chart is uptrending. Right, the daily chart, the Kumo is moving up, and the Kijun-sen is gradually moving up, and Tenkan-sen is moving up too, and Chikou span is still above the candles. So this is a nice uptrend. So in the long term, we can expect the market continue to go up this way. Yeah. Alright, and K-Young, thank you for the reminder. So yeah, if you liked today's live stream, please press a good button before you leave. And hopefully you can subscribe and click the bell button so that you get notified as I do these lives and videos every day. So yeah, because daily chart is uptrending, so I expect the 1 hour chart also trending up. So in what condition can you confirm this 1 hour chart also uptrending as per Ichimoku lines is the next question. Now you know that this is a ranging market, but in what condition can you confirm this 1 hour chart to be uptrending by these Ichimoku lines is the next question. So if you can type the answer here, that'd be great. And because that's exactly what I'm looking for. So when it's ranging in 1 hour, I won't look for the buy chance. I won't go down to lower time frames. I won't go down to 15 or 5 and look for the entry chance. I won't. So now it's range, but for the market to be uptrend in 1 hour, how these Ichimoku lines should move, like what kind of Kumo you need to see, or what kind of Kijun-sen angle you need to confirm, and Chikou span also. For the uptrend market confirmation, how does the Chikou span should move, and how the Tenkan-sen should move to confirm the next uptrend is the next question, because that's exactly what I'll be looking for and waiting for. Yeah, it's a range market. Yep, that's true. Yeah, in 1 hour chart, it's ranging market completely. It's a range. Yeah. So, what do we have to wait for the market to be uptrending on these 5 lines of Ichimoku? Fire, right? A Kijun-sen up. Yeah, Kijun-sen should move up for the uptrend confirmation. Yeah, that's one. That's one of the confirmations. But actually, there's more confirmations here. Yeah, Tenkan-sen over Kijun-sen. Yeah, that's true. So right now, Tenkan-sen is below the Kijun-sen. So it should gold cross, and Tenkan-sen should come above the Kijun-sen. Yeah, that's one of the confirmations for the uptrend. That's true. Yeah, and what else? Alright, let's see. Yep, I got lots of comments now. That's good. Yeah, please join the discussion, because if you output, that will be the best way to input yourself. So yeah, I encourage you to type your answer. Yeah, so let me just go over one by one here. So Senko span A, Senko span B going up. Yeah, that's true. So right now the Kumo flat, meaning both the Senko span B flat and A flat. So we have to see either Senko span B up or Senko span A up for the uptrend confirmation. Yeah, that is true. Senko span AB up, also Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen up. Yeah. So when you see Kumo up, Senko span BA up, then the Tenkan-sen should move up, and the Kijun-sen should move up, and also the Tenkan-sen should move up, and Tenkan-sen needs to be above the Kijun-sen, gold cross over here, and goes up trending this way. Yeah. And what about the Chikou span? What do you have to see for the Chikou span for the uptrend confirmation is the next question. Yeah, Senko span A, Kijun-sen up, and or Senko span B, Kijun-sen up. Yeah, that's exactly right. So yeah, we have to either wait for the Senko span A. Senko span A is the upper part of the Kumo when it's bullish Kumo, and Senko span B is a lower part of the Kumo here. So yeah, it's either A or B, and the Kijun-sen uptrend. Yeah, that's true. Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross. Yep, gold cross, Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen should happen. Chikou span above the candles. Yeah, that's true. So Chikou span is still below the candles now. So the Chikou span should come above the candles to confirm the further uptrend. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, Sanyaku Koten signal. Yeah. Looking for the confirm once break the new high. Yeah, that's true. Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross. Yeah, need a gold cross Kinko Hyo. Yep, Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen up in 50-minute chart. Chikou span moving up also. Yep, not only just the Chikou span moving up, but it needs to break the candles upwards in this case. Yep. Can I apply Ichimoku in 1 hour chart and only look at 1 hour chart to buy or sell? I don't recommend you to take the Ichimoku in only one time frame. I look at the multiple time frames to confirm the best entry edge. So, and originally Ichimoku was created based on the daily chart. So I recommend you apply Ichimoku daily chart first and then break it down to lower time frames like 4 and 1 hour chart. Yeah, gold cross. Yeah, gold cross of Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen. Kijun-sen up, Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen, Chikou span above the candles, Senko span A up or Senko span B up. Yeah, that's the full explanation. Yeah, that's true. Senko span A, B up and Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen up. Yeah, Chikou span above the price, Chikou span above the price. Yeah, that's true. Chikou span above the price would be the next confirmation. Yep. So in this case, let me ask you another question. In this case, what can happen first? Do you think that Chikou span breakout happened first, or Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross will happen first, or you think the Kumo, Senko span A or B happened first? Which one do you think it's first? Like, so this is one. So let's say Chikou span breakout is one, Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross at second, and then this Kumo uptrend will be third. So which one do you think it's gonna be happen first in this condition? Is the next question. And if you can answer this question, then you can, expect what kind of signals you need to look for to look for the buy chance. So which one, either 1 or 2 or 3, which one do you think it happens first is the next question, so that you can catch the entry edge as soon as possible. And I will run the chart. I run the chart one by one after I get these answers, so that you can visually see what happens first. Okay, Chikou span breakout, price line go up. Yep. Must be above the candles. Ichimoku scalping, I don't recommend. I don't recommend you to scalp by Ichimoku because Ichimoku is a bit lagging. So for day to swing traders, I think it's effective, but not for scalping, in my opinion. Should be up to price. Yep. Gold cross happens first, Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross first, alright? So 2, 2, 3, 1, alright? So I get couple of 2, answer 2, right? 2 happens first. Okay, 2, 3, 1. Alright, 2, 1, 3. Okay, okay, I get lots of variations of the answers, which is nice, Kinko Hyo cross first, alright? So Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross can come first, you think, alright? 3, alright? 3, number 3, Senko span A or B up happens first. Number 2, alright, Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross, alright? 2, 1, 3, alright? 2, 1, 3, okay? Gold cross, Chikou's price, Tenkan-sen. Okay, so let me run the tester now and see which one happens first. I think number 3 comes first, because right now Senko span A is flat technically. If I can enlarge a bit, you can see that Senko span AB flat at the moment. But if the market gradually moves up this way, then the Senko span A will go up first, and then Tenkan-sen will follow the market, and it's gonna twist this Kijun-sen upwards. But I think before that, the Chikou span will break upwards this way, because Chikou span breakout in this case can be below this gold cross of Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen. So I think this one comes first, and then Chikou span breakout comes second, and then the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen comes third. But I don't know the answer, this one, so we will see all together. Yeah, I might be wrong too. So let's see which one happens first. Okay, so yeah, let's run it one by one and see which one happens first. Okay, so alright, so now we see, so one candlestick, after one single candlestick, the Kijun Sen goes down, and also Senko span A goes down too. So let's see. Okay, the market gradually moving up because the daily chart is moving up. So yeah, so the market keeps going up this way, which is nice confirmation, but the Kumo still flat, Kijun Sen still flat. Okay, so Chikou span breakout is coming up first, it looks like. So let's see. Okay, so now it's still flat. Oh, there is almost a breakout with Chikou span. I think on this next candlestick, Chikou span can break. But before that, technically before the Chikou span break, there is a Kumo upwards. So in this case, the Kumo upward happened first. So number 3 came first of all. But Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, so Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross happened first. Sorry, I think so. I think I missed that one. Yeah, over here, sorry. Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross came first. So number 2 came first, and then the Kumo breakout came second, and then this Chikou span breakout came in the end. So yeah, for those who answered, for those who answered 2, 3, and 1, you get the prize. You get the prize. Yeah, you get the Stay Gold prize. So yeah, it's interesting to see here. So so now that we see this is uptrending according to the daily chart, and we see the Kumo is moving up, right? The Senko span B up and A is gradually moving up. However, the Kijun Sen is still flat. We see Kijun Sen still flat, and also the Kijun Sen is still into the Kumo here. So I would wait until this Kijun Sen comes above the Kumo and breaks upwards this way, and then I look for the buy chance in 5 or 15 minute time frame. So we haven't come to talk about the trading edges yet. We are only looking for this trending market still. Yeah, Kaun, you're welcome for the reply. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, your father should be proud that his son inherited the skills of teaching like a professor too. Sure, thank you for the words. Yeah, I try my best to present this Ichimoku knowledge to everyone in English. Yep, alright. So now I wait for the Kijun Sen to come above the Kumo and look for the buy chance. So let me just forward it until it happens. Okay, so now the Kijun Sen broke out of the Kumo but still flat, and Kumo flat also. So I will just forward one more or two more. Okay, so now I see Kijun Sen up. Now I see Kijun Sen up and Kumo, Senko span BA both up, and also the Chikou span above the candles. So this is when I exactly look at the 5-minute chart and look for the buy chance. Okay, and so let me go down to 5-minute chart. Okay, let's see. Is a Kumo the correct shape to look for buy chance? Yep, this is the correct shape to look for buy chance. Yeah, because we see Senko span B up and A up also. Yeah, this is not a flat Kumo, but this is the up Kumo. Yeah, and also the Kijun Sen is uptrending. And we don't have to wait for the Tenkan Sen up. Tenkan Sen can be flat and it's okay, because Tenkan Sen is just the short-term market momentum. So it goes up and down quite sharply soon, the Tenkan Sen. Okay, so that was 231. Yeah, 231 was the correct answer in this case. Can you show the daily time frame now? Yeah, sure. Yeah, let me check the daily chart again. And yeah, so daily chart is still uptrending. So here's the daily chart. We see Kumo's Senko span B flat, but A is up, and Kijun Sen is gradually uptrending still. And Tenkan Sen is up, and Chikou span above the candles. Yep. And then 1 hour chart is also the uptrend. Yeah, this is long enough. Yeah, we see Senko span BA up, and it's got a thickness to it. So this is a decent Kumo. Yeah, but when you see these tiny Kumos like here, these are not so reliable. But right now, this is okay to be reliable. Okay, so let's go to 5-minute chart. Okay, so according to my strategy KTS, so far we've seen daily chart up, and we have waited for the 1 hour chart to be also uptrending. Yeah, so now we're going to 5 today. We don't look at the 15, but we look at the 5 today, just to explanation purpose, and look for 3 confirmations to buy. Alright, yeah, you're welcome, Asif. You're welcome. When you have confirmation up on H1, why looking for the signals in M5, not in the M15 first? So yeah, I look at the M15 first, in reality, but today, to explain it, in a short way, I look at the 5-minute chart. We're gonna focus on the 5 and try to look for 3 confirmations to buy. Yeah, Gregory, thank you for joining from California. Good to see you. Good morning. I'm sure it's in the morning still. In Japan, it's at 11:30 p.m. So we get a huge time difference. But thank you for joining, everyone. It's it's Monday, so the market is slow, and that's why I decided to run the tester to show my strategy. So yeah, let's go to the 5-minute chart. So here's a 5-minute chart. So in 1 hour chart, it's uptrending this way. And in a daily chart, this is also uptrending too, as we confirmed earlier. So in this 5-minute chart, what I can expect is the market goes up on this bullish wave continuously this way. So I expect the market break out the previous high up over here this way. I hope that makes sense, because we are following the higher time frame trend. So although we see the previous high in 5-minute chart, I'm still sure this is the good time to buy, because I expect the market continuously going up still. But before taking a buy, I look for 3 confirmations to enter. So let me show Bollinger Bands and stochastics. So yeah, when it comes to enter the market, I look at these indicator and tools. So I use the I don't so much use Ichimoku anymore, but I use price action and lines, Bollinger Band, stochastics, and Fibonacci retracement expansion to capture the potential entry chance. So let me show the Bollinger Bands and stochastic first. So I will get this a Bollinger Bands. So I go to a trend Bollinger Bands and deviation 1. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna look like this, and also deviation 2. I want that one too. So if you wanna show double Bollinger Bands, double bands, you need to add 2 Bollinger Bands, one with deviation 1 and the other one with a deviation 2, like this. Then you get these 2 bands. Right, so these are the Bollinger Bands. And now it's band walking. The price is in between the deviation 1, 2. So this is band walking. And then I show the stochastics. So I will add the indicator, oscillators, and I go to the stochastics here. 30, 10, 10 is my stochastic setting with the close price. So below here, there will be a stochastics. Okay? Alright. So I see this is a uptrending. So I'm looking for the buy chance. Alright. Hello, Mike and James. Thank you for joining. Great to see you. Oh, I never tried 1852-104. So I'm not sure about that. I only use the default Ichimoku setting. Okay, so let's try to look for 3 confirmations to enter. So now there is a Bollinger Band walking is one of the confirmations. And also if we look at the market over here, like a couple of candles before, when you see the market over here, we see 3 confirmations. We see the stochastic gold cross and also band walking. After squeeze band walking is like 2 combinations for these candlestick patterns, and also I can see the thrust up. I can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive bullish candles thrust up as one of the confirmations. And also there is a previous high breakout. There is a previous high breakout at this level. So exactly at here, that will be a buy chance. And I expect the market breaks the previous high and continues to go up this way. So that will be one of the timings. If you look at the market right now, exactly like this. And so this is one of the entry timings. So let me just put the vertical line right now over here. And in this case, the stop loss, so I will buy here. And the stop loss is going to be below the previous low, which is at this level. Previous low will be here, and you need a little room in between the previous low and the stop loss. You know, considering spread, you need some room here. And if I put the stop loss here, for example, in this case, the pips to the stop loss is going to be 17 or 18 pips of stop loss, which is decent. And my target is based on the daily chart. In this example, my stop loss is based on the 5. My target is based on the daily chart, and that's why my risk-reward ratio every time I take trades will be greater than 2 or 3. So this is one of the timing for enter. So let me run the tester now. Let me just move one by one and look for another chance to buy. So let's see, the market goes up, band walking, breaks upwards now. So there is another previous high breakout, band walking. Yeah, and also in this case, I would draw the Fibonacci line. Like I would draw the Fibonacci line on this 5 from the previous low to the high, like this way. This is a very tiny Fibonacci level, but if I happen to see the market like over here, like in this way, when I happen to see the market over here right now, I still take a buy here because there is a 23.6% bounce on this N wave, there is a 23.6% bounce twice, and also there is a previous high breakout and then band walking. The price locates between deviation 1 and 2. So when I happen to open the chart and look at the market like this, then I will buy immediately. So this will be the second timing to buy. Yeah, when it comes to capturing these trading edges, I think it's a little bit complex, but hopefully you got this idea here. So yeah, this is another entry timing for me. And I expect the market goes up on this bullish wave this way, supported by this 23.6% and goes up this way. So let me run it a bit more until we see another confirmation to buy. And it depends on when you look at the chart and when you open the PC and look at the chart or mobile. So let me show the stochastics again, and let's just wait for another buy chance. So let me delete this Fibonacci line for now. So let's see if the market breaks upwards or not. Okay, now it's ranging, Bollinger Band squeezing, so it's charging energy to move up or down after this squeeze. But if we see uptrend on these multiple time frames, then after squeeze, it should go up this way. And looks like the stochastics ready to gold cross again. So that will be another entry chance. So let me run it one by one again. Okay, so now it's broken downwards. So now here, if I see the stochastics dead cross and also Bollinger Band spread expanding and the market moves down this way, I will exit. So when I enter here buy, then this will be the exit timing for me. And then I only take a 1% risk per this trade. So let me delete these lines for now. And let me run it a bit more. Okay, so now this is the yes, now looks like it's range market. The market goes up and down in the range. Bollinger Band squeezing again. These bands are squeezing. So when it expands next time, it goes up or down. This way or that way. Hello Tam, thank you for joining. Good to see you here. Okay, so here before the squeeze, before the market breaks out up or downwards, I will come back to the higher time frames again and make sure these are still uptrending. So let me first look at the daily chart. Okay, so here's the daily chart, and the daily chart still shows uptrending. We see still Kumo's moving up and the Kijun Sen is moving up. So I look at the 1 hour. And let's see. Okay, so in 1 hour, we see Kumo is moving up, but Kijun Sen is flat at the moment. So when you see Kijun Sen flat, then it might go down this way. Right, so this is when I avoid looking for the buy chance. So although I see squeeze here in 5, although I squeeze in 5, and also there is a N wave over here, it might break upwards on this previous high in this way, but I won't take a buy. Because as we saw earlier, 1 hour chart is now flat, so I stop looking for the buy chance, because it might go down after this expansion. Yeah, so always when you take trades, always look at the daily chart or the mid time frame and make sure these are trending still. Otherwise, no trades. So here I won't take a trade. So let's see after the squeeze which way it's gonna go. It might go up still because daily chart is still going up, but it may go down because 1 hour chart is still flat. So this is like 50-50 chance after this expansion, and I never take trades on the 50-50 chance. I never take trades. And also stochastics might dead cross. Stochastics might dead cross when the market breaks downwards this way. So from this reason, I don't take a buy here either. So let's see what happens afterwards. So okay, the Bollinger Band is squeezing here, squeezing, and it's about to be expanding. So let's see which way it expands. Okay, squeezing, charging energy now. So okay, this time it's gradually moving down and now flat. So after expansion, this was not the big expansion, but after it expanded this way, the market band walked downwards this way. So for sure I won't look for the buy chance now. Yeah, that one I forecast. Yeah, so in this case over here, we didn't know which way it's going. It may go up or go down. Because daily chart's uptrending still, but in one it's flat. So there's 50-50 chance. But once again, you don't want to take the 50-50 chance. So that was the example here. So yeah, basically I run the tester again. I just keep running it like this until I will switch it to the 1 hour until 1 hour chart goes upwards or downwards. So I will just go by 1 hour. So now I see the Kijun-sen up, but Kumo still flat. So let me just run a bit more. Okay, the Kumo is okay. So now I see Kumo's up, Senko span A is up, and also the Kijun-sen is uptrending too. So this is where I look for the buy chance again. So I go to a 5-minute chart also. One more time, and I look for the buy chance. And in this case, I think this is a great buy chance because I see this band walking, the price going up between division 1, 2, and it goes up this way. And also there is a Cannon trend line breakout. There is a Cannon trend line breakout, and then I get this Fibonacci bounce. I get this Fibonacci bounce over here. Exactly at this 38.2%. So I got 3 confirmations: band walking, Cannon trend line breakout, and then Fibonacci bounce. So over here I will buy here. This will be the buy chance, and I don't look at the stochastics because I got 3 confirmations by these lines already. So in this case, on this PDF, I took Fibonacci retracement and also expansion, band walking, and then Cannon trend line. I got these 3 confirmations to buy. Let's see. Hi Kay, if this trade was successful in buy direction, what will be the target point? So the target is based on the 4-hour chart. Or sorry, the daily chart in this case. So speaking of the target, that will be based on the 4-hour chart. So I will start to look for exit when the Kumo goes flat and Kijun-sen goes flat in this daily chart. That will be my target. And also as for fixed target, I will take it as a previous high on this daily chart. So if I can squeeze the chart and look for the previous high, that will be somewhere like over here. There's a little tip over here as a previous high. So yeah, as per daily chart, as for the fixed target, this would be the one 1.18749 is the fixed target. But usually when it comes to target, I don't set the fixed target because I wanted to see if the market goes up this way, and if the market reaches to the target, I want to see if the Kijun Sen still goes up and the Kumo still goes up. And when they go up, and when Tenkan Sen above the Kijun Sen, and if the Chikou span is still above the candles, then there's a good chance that the market breaks the target upwards this way. So that's why I don't place the target as fixed price level, but in my perspective to the target, I look for exit timing when Kumo goes flat and the Kijun Sen goes flat on this daily chart in this case. Yeah, so the Kumo might go flat and Kijun Sen might go flat when the market reaches to the previous high this way, and the market consolidates this way, and then that will make the Kumo go flat and Kijun Sen goes flat. So that will be my exit timing over here. But if it breaks upwards this way, then I continue to try out the profit. Hello Mai, thank you for joining. Good to see you here. Let's see. Okay, if Kumo Senko span A up and B still up and Kijun Sen flat in the daily chart, we'll already look for the exit timing. Yes, yes. Kijun Sen is very important for me. Yeah, if Kijun Sen goes flat, then I will look for the exit timing. Yeah, even the Senko span AB up, if Kijun Sen goes flat, then I will look for the exit timing. Yeah, because that's when the market retraces backwards. If you can look at the past charts, it's obvious. You know, when you see Kijun Sen flat, that's when the market retraces backwards this way. Every time you see Kijun Sen flat, that's when the market retraces backwards this way. And over here too, when you see Kijun Sen flat, that's when the market retraces backwards this way. And in this example, the market did not reach the Kijun Sen, but there are often times the market comes back to the Kijun Sen when Kijun Sen goes flat. So yeah, that would be my timing to look for the exit timing. Yeah, Durol, you're welcome. You're welcome. AUDCAD. Oh yeah, I think it's uptrending. But yeah, this is Forex Tester 4. This is the past chart on Euro USD back in 2017. So this is not the real chart. Yep, I decided to run the tester today because all the charts are flat at the moment. Daily flat and forward chart flat on these major pairs. So there's not much to talk about. So yeah, so once again, this is exactly where I look for the buy chance, and this is exactly where I place the buy over here. And when I place a buy, that means I expect the market goes up this way on this bullish wave. Otherwise, I exit. If the market goes backwards this way and breaks this previous low downwards, then that will be my exit timing. And my stop loss will be below the previous low over here. Yep, generally how many pips would you expect for a target? For the target, I expect between 100 pips to 200 pips is my target. Yeah, if you trade on daily chart, that will be 200 pips as target. If you take trade on the forward chart, that will be 100 pips in general. And my stop loss is, an average stop loss is 20 to 25 pips stop loss. when the next day candle opens, Kijun Sen is almost always flat. So would you almost exit every day? No. I say I don't exit when Kijun Sen goes flat. I said I look for the exit timing when Kijun Sen goes flat. So I look at the lower time frames, and if I see reversal confirmations in lower time frames when Kijun Sen flat on the daily chart, then I exit. Otherwise, I keep holding the position. Yeah, because if you see every day or every 4 hours, the Kijun Sen goes flat. So you don't want to exit every 4 hours or every day. It's not really, ideal or realistic. Yeah, I say I look for the exit timing when Kijun Sen goes flat on higher time frames. Yeah. Okay, US 100, nice uptrending, alright? Yeah, Nasdaq and Nasdaq and also the S&P. Yeah, Nasdaq S&P is going up right now. Dow Jones retracing. So yeah, let me take a buy. Let's expect the market is going up, and let's say I take a buy over here, and my stop loss is going to be below the previous low, which will be at this level. And once the market goes backwards, then I will exit before the market hits a stop loss. So let me run it one by one and see if it happens. Okay, so now the market goes up this way and retracing backwards, but still goes up this way. So I confirm this end wave after I take a buy over here. I confirm this end wave clearly. So this is when I move the stop the break even. Then I trail the profit. I keep trading the profit this way as the market goes up on this bullish end wave. Okay, so yeah, this is my strategy, and this is exactly the entry timing, which is topic for today. And in this case, I didn't pay attention to the stochastics because stochastics didn't show the gold cross over here when I took a buy. So I didn't look at the stochastic at all. I was only looking at these lines and price action to enter the market in this case. So so that was the Forex Tester 4 session today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. So that was the entry edges by my own strategy called KTS. And if you wish to learn more depths about the KTS, then I have this global trading school, and I exactly talk about when to enter, when to exit, when exactly move the stop to break even, and everything. So if you wish to join the GTS, this is only 5 members, 3 months intensive hands-on training. And the next group is from April, May, June, 3 months. So the seat is filling soon. So if you're interested, please write me an email so that I can put you on the list, on the members list. And if you wish to look back my past, trade strategies, then you can come to this my website, and you can click on this case trading strategy picture here. If you click on this one, then it's gonna forward you to this my playlist. So everything is saved in the archive. So you can always look back and replay my strategies one by one, because this is basically what I do every day when I take trades. So yeah, you can enjoy my past lives and videos too here. how do you check that this is not the end of the trend? Yeah, so the end of the trend can be captured when the Kumo goes flat and the Kijun-sen goes flat. How often do you use M5 and how often do you use M15 for entry chance? It depends. So when I happen to see 3 confirmations in M15, then I take M15. But when I can confirm 3 confirmations in 5, then I take M5. So it depending on when I see the chart. And yeah, both are reliable. I don't really see either 5 is good or M15 is good. These are equally reliable to me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. And for tomorrow's topic, tomorrow is going to be a recorded video session. So I will record a video about the essence of Kumo breakout. Tomorrow is about the Ichimoku Basic Lecture Series, Ichimoku Strategy. So every Tuesdays and Thursdays I talk about the Ichimoku 5-line strategy, and I talk about the essence of Kumo breakout. Which Kumo breakout is reliable, I talk about it tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy watching the video tomorrow too. And so yeah, I do this, I set these topics every day in January and last year, but from February, as I tweeted here on the Twitter, in February I will be flexible on what to talk about in public lives every day, rather than deciding what to talk beforehand like as attached. You will know what to talk from the live stream titles on the day in February. So yeah, so now I have this program guide and you can expect what to talk about in the future. But in February, I will talk about depending on how the market moves, because sometimes I want to talk about Chikou breakout, sometimes I want to talk about like head and shoulders, or sometimes I talk about the Kumo breakout. Because I will talk about Kumo breakout tomorrow, but I might not gonna be seeing the Kumo breakout tomorrow, and in that case, you know, it doesn't make sense to talk about Kumo breakout when it's not happening. So I will talk about the things that happen in the market, and that's why in February, instead of ensuring which topic to talk about, I will be flexible to the market on that day and talk about and decide what to talk about on that day. So yeah, and see how it goes next month. So anyways, thank you for joining everyone. So yeah, I hope you catch some trends this week, or this week we have a FOMC on Wednesday, so watch out on the volatility. Alright, so I will see you on tomorrow's video, and please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you everyone.